Clay, and she tried to find if she could find him, but she couldn't find him. So what she did, she wrote this poem from his perspective. So here goes. When I tried reading it this morning, I cried. So I hope I don't break into tears. In 100 years, will they know my name? Will they know where I fell and when the sky caved in? Will they know I stood here in mud-soaked boots as the stench of the trench crawled through my skin? Will they know the boy inside the man's head and how the pounding of guns ripped him low? Is there anyone out there thinking of me as I wait for the knell of the whistle's blow? In 100 years, will the trees still stand down the side of the track we call Lover's Lane? Will they know that we once walked there together? Oh, think of me, love. When you go there again, and will someone remember to tell my lass she filled my heart more than she could know? And with the last I love you, I spoke a name and wet my farewell at the whistle's blow. See, it's starting on that. Well, in 100 years, will the birds still sing as shrill and as pure as I heard them at dawn? Then followed their flight to some faraway place. Will they sing for me still where my body lies? Will the world understand how we gave our best, lads and our pals, of a long time ago? Will they know what it's like to taste the fear of the acrid smell of the whistle's blow? In 100 years, will they be forgotten as this savaged earth turns to green once more, when it's buried the scars of the twisted wire? Will the sons of the suns still march into war? We stand in line in a view, a vow of silence, as the air hangs stale and my breath falls slow, as I stare into the face of 100 years, then walk into hell as the whistles blow. Thank you. And as a counter to that, this is a song that's written by Buffy Submarine. I'll take these off the others now. Called Universal Soldier. He's 5'2" and he's 6'4". He fights with missiles and with spears. He's all of 31 and he's only 17. Been a soldier for 1,000 years. He's a Catholic, a Hindu, an atheist, a Jain, Buddhist, and a Baptist, and a Jew. And he knows he shouldn't kill, and he knows he always will. Kill for me, my friend, and be for you. And he's fighting for democracy, he's fighting for the Reds. Says it's for the peace of us all. He's the one who must decide who's to live and who's to die, and he never sees the writing on the wall. And he's fighting for democracy, he's fighting for the Reds. He says it's for the peace of us all. He's the one who must decide who's to live and who's to die, and he never sees the writing on the wall. And without him, how would Hitler have condemned him at Dakar? Without him, Caesar would have stood alone. He's the one who gives his body as a weapon of the war, and without him, all this killing can't go on. He's the universal soldier, and he really is to blame. His orders come from far away no more. They come from here and there, you and me, and brothers, can't you see? This is not the way to put an end to war.